Okay, it's Saturday, February 13th, day before Valentine's Day. We're down here by Krikorian Theater. Old Krikorian. They're building a parking structure here. This is, what is this? Stuart? There's the new Starbucks is on the other side. On the west side. This is going to be for the rail, the light rail coming into Redlands. Going to be a parking structure here and I believe a loading dock. Yeah, that's right. The old Santa Fe depot is right over there. See it above that, by that palm tree over there. And this will be the parking structure for that light rail. It's supposed to open next spring, I think it is. They're about 85% done with the rail. So that's it from here. Stuart and Eureka. There's a new wing stop way over there. See if we can get away.
Hi.
How you doing? They're working Saturdays after the rain. I'm not sure how high it's gonna be. I think I heard 4 stories. It's gonna go up at least. They're working on 2nd story now. So the people that, I don't know if you can park here. I guess anybody can park here. It won't just be rail people. So a lot of people bitch about there's no parking downtown. Well, there's parking now. They're gonna be. The rail, most of the rails, they can't sustain themselves, like the Metrolink. They all lose money and they don't have enough ridership. They always propose great numbers. Oh, look at this. It's like the buses downtown San Bernardino. You maybe see 1, 2 people on them. It's a total black hole for money, for citizens, taxpayers' money. But it's what some people want and they push through. Because every year I read in the LA Times that Metrolink is losing millions. They've never made money. They're always in the red. I mean, you can look at the brown what do you call it? The Brondoggle, the train to Fresno, the bullet train. I mean, they're billions over budget, years behind, and who's going to take a train to Fresno? I'm not. That's not on my list. Well, let's pour more money down a black hole. But that's it from Redlands. What's Krikorian called now? What is it called? Studio Movie Grill? That's back over there. Thanks for watching. See ya.